Hi, welcome to my series of video stories and its relation to sales. Most of you would be knowing Ramayana, the greatest epic of India. What do you think if Hanuman of Ramayana would be in sales? Would he be the greatest salesman in an industry? Let's see. I was reading a book from Joe Girard, who holds a Guinness Book of World Records for selling cars. He says a salesperson must look like as much as possible like the people to whom he is selling. When I read this sentence, I remembered a story of Ramayana, the instance when Hanuman meets Rama and Lakshmana for the first time. Rama and Lakshmana was walking in a forest area near Pampa river. Sugriva saw them and got terrified because these two people were carrying sword, bow and arrow. He thought they would have been sent by his brother Vali to kill him. So he approaches Hanuman. Hanuman understands the situation and tells to Sugriva that you must not get terrified by seeing a warrior. You have to understand their current state of condition, essence in their conversation, and then you have to act accordingly. Sugriva requests Hanuman to please let him know who these two gentlemen are. Hanuman decides to meet those two unknown people. Now Hanuman changes his costume. Remember what Joe said. Hanuman goes in a disguise as a sannyasi. He approaches Rama and Lakshmana and said that you both look like Raja Tapasvis but are an armed men. You are having sword, bow and arrows. The animals in this jungle are getting frightened because of your presence. Your eyes look like petals of lotus and you have a broad chest. You seems to be unbeatable in the war. But you are the savior of many lives. You look like a god in a disguise of a man. Please tell me who you both are. By listening to Hanuman's words, Rama said, you seems to be a knowledgeable person of 4 Vedas. Your grammar is perfect. You started, continued and completed. Your tone was neither too loud nor it was in a whisper. You know how to spell each and every syllable. You would be the greatest man. Lakshmana, please tell this person whom we are and what condition we are into. Now when I look at how Rama describes Hanuman, I just feel that these are all the characters what a seasoned sales professional would be. Now what do you think? Hanuman would be a greatest salesman? With that, whenever a customer says no, we always hear it as next. I'll see you again. Take care. Signing off. This is Divya Haricharan. Bye.